Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque D165 S. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine, which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Fuji White. Starting our journey from the front of this Evoque, where we find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, you'll see further features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 18-inch gloss black alloys. To the rear, you'll notice your rear privacy glass, which will ensure all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of the rear LED tail lights. As we open the tailgate, we'll reveal a vast amount of boot space, perfect for a weekend's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with their ebony Windsor leather seats, ensuring comfort and quality on any length of journey, and glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 12-way driver memory and 10-way passenger heated electric memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. Ahead, you'll also see your fully digital display, advancing over now to your 11.4-inch Pivi Pro touchscreen, which, as you can see, is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings. You'll also be able to access various climate control features, as well as further vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, which we now have available at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.